What is scoliosis and how does it affect the body?
Okay. So I have my model here.
Ah, may model ka pa. Okay, ang cute. Okay.
Sorry.
Oh.
Wait,
bakit?
I'll unburn this one.
Kasi yung
Okay.
blue, nag-ayun.
Oo.
All
Okay.
right. So yung scoliosis is a malalignment siya, no? Your spine can go to the left or to the right side yan. But also there's a rotational component, umiikot yung spine natin. So it's what we call a biplanar deformity. Now, among Filipinos, mga 2 to 3 out of every 100 children have it.
Wow,
And
daklas rin,
it's more common, yes, and it's more common among girls kesa sa boys, no?
Oo.
And yeah, it's a common complaint in our clinics.
Okay. So, Dr. Ledo, itong mga may scoliosis, that's different ba sa kuba? Ano bang mga manifestation niyan? Paano natin malalaman kung may scoliosis ka? Is it always prominent? Paano? May screening ba yan para malaman? How does one confirm if they suspect
Right,
they have scoliosis?
So all the good questions, Ma'am Pat.
Sorry,
So
okay.
ang basic niyan is that there's imbalance in the shoulder. Sometimes nakikita ng patient mas mataas yung isang balikat. Or for children, mas labas yung scapula, the shoulder blade.
Oh.
Or minsan tabingi yung sa hips, no? And it's usually the parents who first notice this one kasi sila in close contact.
Yeah.
Tama yung video teaser nyo kanina, most of the scoliosis are mild to moderate. So these can be seen also by, halimbawa, the child gets sick, tapos may chest x-ray.
Yeah.
The shadow of the spine is seen also, and many pediatricians refer to us pag nakita nila, suspicious na parang tabingi yung spine.
Oo.
Yeah, so that's these
Those
are the
are the
common
signs.
manifestations. Pero marami rin sa mga scoliosis, what we call silent, no? It's an incidental finding, hindi siya grossly deformed.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially for the mild cases.
Mild cases. Okay.
Okay. So, good morning, Doc.
Yes, morning, Vicky. Go ahead.
Ayan. Nagsasalamin po ako kasi tinitignan ko kung pantay ba yung balikat ko. Kasi lagi po ako nasasabihan, kahit na feeling ko naka-straight body na ako, ay sasabihan po ako na may tabingi. Ayan nga, so, etas masakit din yung likod. Yung some of the symptoms nga po na sinabi ninyo. Pero ito naman po, sa family naman namin, wala naman po may scoliosis or maybe wala pong nagpa-check. Paano po talaga nakukuha ang scoliosis? Is it genetic? Nung habang pong na-form ba yung sa sinapupunan, ang bata, ay nagkakaroon po ng maldevelopment doon? Paano po, saan po nanggaling to?
Sige, so let's address that one. No? Yung hindi porke tabingi ka or nakakuba ka, that means you're scoliotic. Minsan, you really have just a bad posture. Scoliosis must have a deformity dun sa spine, not because of how you carry yourself. So, how do we diagnose that? Really, X-ray of the spine, no? Coming from the neck, from the cervical spine, dito sa base ng bungo, hanggang dito sa may base ng ating buntot, yung tailbone natin. And that's where we see the malformation, and we will measure that one. And hindi lahat ng curve ay scoliotic agad, no? It's actually overdiagnosed among yung mga chest X-rays nilalagay nila na considering scoliosis. Sa amin sa orthopedics, we're very particular about measurements. Now, you must reach the 10-degree deformity before we call it scoliosis. Kasi many patients, they get worried agad na, may scoliosis kasi tabingi ang x-ray. No? They also nakikitingin niya sa chest x-ray ng mga anak nila. So we're very careful in diagnosing. Tapos, so the second question was, how do we get it?
Yes.
80% of scoliosis cases are idiopathic, meaning we don't know how it happened, we don't know how it started. So in the clinics, we also absolve the patients, no, kasi minsan sisisi yung bata kasi yan lagi naka-slouch o hindi yan kasi nag-sports or yung how he carries a backpack, tabingi kasi lagi, hindi na. That has been debunked already. Kumbaga, kung if scoliosis is for you, it's for you. Hindi mo siya, you cannot stop it, you can just mitigate the effect of scoliosis. So critical sa amin is early diagnosis kasi ang growth ng ating, while we're growing, so the spine is still movable, kaya pang
Idiretso.
put it back into, madidiretso mo siya. And the growth period is up to roughly mga 16 years old. So for children, mga babae, mga 14 to 16.
Okay.
And for boys, mga up to 18 years old siya. So that's the time that you can put a brace on these patients.